So as sir already has told that this is a webinar on the COVID-19 impact on IT industry. It's a dialogue between college students and IT industry people, which we have two guests with us, that is Gaurav and Aditya. So let's start here. So we are running through exciting times. Yes, I would say this exciting times because we all are aware about the theory of evolution given by Darwin. And human brain is hardwired in a special way. So human brain works very well, or human brain innovates very well through the times of crisis, because at the time of evolution the main aim behind human is to stay alive. So there is a special reward for every human brain to think new stuff, to evolve, to innovate in the time of crisis. And the best thing is crisis can't be simulated. So you can't create a simulated environment to behave like crisis. Either it happens or it doesn't. So right now we are in the mid of crisis, and this is the best time to evolve. This is the best time to innovate. This is the best time to redefine our culture, redefine our way of working and everything. So going forward, just think about if let's say we are in the September or October, when this Corona thing didn't happen, and government just come and say that all the educational institutes are going to be online. So how those institutes might be responding to that? They will ask for 2 years time. They will ask for 3 years or 5 years of time to completely build their infra, to completely go online. But how this happened in just 2 months? So we have achieved the task of a decade in these 2 months. That how fast our mankind is responding to this crisis. Just think about completely going work from home for each and every organization. Many of organization would come upfront and say it's can't be done, but now everyone is doing this and doing this successfully. We are working at least at the 150% of our productivity for my organization. Just think about the small shopkeepers, mom and pop shops. If you say them, uncle, just go online, I will buy this stuff, I will buy my kirana online, he will completely deny that. He will say, boy, it's not possible. But now every kirana shop want to do online transactions, they want to deliver online, and in fact they are coming to the online platforms. And the best part is this all thing in IT, software engineers are the backbone of all this paradigm shift. And these software engineers are with us. These future engineers, this future workforce, these future innovators are the one who are sitting on the another side, who are studying right now in the college and going to make this all happen in the coming days. So friends, this is not the tough time, this is exciting time, and we are a part of history in making.